The easiest way to grow your natural hair without overthinking it is to put it in a protective style. Yes, it's that simple. But the real magic happens in how you care for your hair while it is tucked away. Now let's be real. A protective style isn't really protective if it is snatching your edges too tight, left in for too long, or if you are not moisturizing your hair underneath. That's not protective, that's harmful. What helped me grow my hair to the length you see today is consistent, healthy protective styling and making sure I care for my hair while it is styled, not just on the day I installed it. In today's video, I'm wearing a simple flat twist style. It's gentle on my scalp, gives my end a break and still looks neat. I always start by hydrating my hair, so I spritz it with clean water. Not soaking, just lightly misted. This helps open the hair cuticle so everything else can go in. Water is the best natural moisturizer. Without it, everything else is just sitting on dry hair. I follow up with a leave-in conditioner. This adds sleep, moisture and helps keep the hair soft and manageable even in the twist. Next, I go in with a rich hair butter to seal that moisture in. I rub it in between my palms and gently work it into my hair, especially the ends. They are the oldest part of our hair and need the most love. Finally, I apply a lightweight oil directly to my scalp and gently massage it in. Scalp massages increases blood flow, which encourages growth. Be consistent with this. 2 to 3 times a week is plenty. And no, don't suffocate your scalp with too much products. One of the biggest mistakes I see people making is ignoring the scalp. An itchy, flaky or clogged scalp will absolutely block your growth. You can use herbal teas like clove, rosemary or pawpaw leaf as a rinse midweek to refresh your scalp, or just a clean water spritz it if your scalp is in good condition. Don't wait until your hair is bone dry to care for it. I moisturize every 3 to 4 days while in a protective style. How often you moisturize your hair in a protective style depends on your hair porosity, but for most people, moisturizing once or twice a week is enough. Listen to your hair. If it feels dry, hydrate it. If it feels mushy, hold off and maybe use a light protein treatment after takedown. Here are mistakes to avoid with your protective style. 1. Installing styles too tightly. If your styles are installed too tightly, they are no longer protective, but they are disaster. 2. Leaving styles in for too long. 4 weeks is usually the maximum. 3. Not moisturizing or oiling your hair. 4. Skipping the takedown process and causing unnecessary breakage. 5. Using heavy products that clog the scalp. These little mistakes sneak up and ruin all your growth progress. Avoid them. Protective styles like twists, braids, wigs, and cornrows help reduce manipulation. Every time you comb, tug, or style your hair, there's a chance of breakage, especially if your hair is dry or fine. With protective styling, you are giving your hair time to rest. No manipulation means fewer chances of breakage, split ends, and stress on your strands. But again, it only works if it's actually protective. So skip the super tight styles, heavy extensions, or leaving it in for 6+ weeks with no care. Protective styling can grow your hair if you're intentional. Moisturize, seal, and stimulate your scalp. Protect your ends and be consistent. I will keep showing you exactly how I do it because growth isn't luck. It's what you do in private that shows in public. Let me know in the comments what protective styles you are currently rocking and how you care for it. And if this helped you, share it with a friend who is on their hair growth journey too. See you in my next video. Bye!